Welcome to Best Choice. The best flint steel is probably one of the most essential tools for any outdoor enthusiast or survivalist. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flint and steel fire starters, exploring their history, how they work, and why they remain a reliable choice for creating fire in various conditions. Join me as we explore different models, compare their features, and determine which flint and steel kit deserves a spot in your pack. Number 5. BAYITE 4 Ferro Rod Fire Starter Kit. This is a reliable fire starter from BAYITE. It includes a ferrocerium rod and a striker, perfect for various outdoor activities. The kit features a Paracord lanyard for a secure grip. The striker is attached, ensuring you're always ready to create a spark. The Striker Pro is made from tool-grade HSS steel. It maximizes sparks, regardless of which hand you use. The Ferro rod is 4 inches long and 3/8 inch in diameter. It's large enough for sparks yet compact for easy carrying. This fire starter is waterproof and weatherproof. It works in any condition, producing sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit to ignite a fire. It's perfect for bushcraft, hiking, hunting, and emergency situations. This is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This fire starter features a Paracord handle, giving you a secure grip. It also comes with a high-hardness striker for maximum spark generation. If you're looking for a reliable fire starter that works in any weather, this is the one. You'll be able to start a fire quickly and easily, no matter the conditions. What people say. The quality of this Ferro rod is excellent. It's solid, well-sized at 4 inches long and 3/8 inch thick, and feels like it will last through countless strikes. The included striker works great, producing a huge spark every time with very little effort. The Ferro rod is long and thick, making it easy to generate sparks. The flint is drilled nicely, and the fire starter produces a steady shower of sparks with minimal effort. Number 4. Prepared 4X Fire Starter Survival Tool Kit. This patented survival tool helps you start a fire quickly. It produces a shower of sparks that ignite the wick, even in windy or rainy conditions. This kit includes everything you need. You don't need to buy separate ferro rods, strikers, or tinder. The curved striker directs sparks straight to the wick. It's easy to use, making fire starting simple. It offers 3+ hours of continuous burn time or thousands of uses. The tool remains effective even after being soaked in water. This all-in-one survival fire starter is perfect for emergencies. It's ideal for bushcraft, survival, hiking, and camping. Make sure to pack it in your bug-out bag. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution, including everything you need to start a fire. The patented design directs sparks straight to the wick for fast ignition. If you need a fire starter that's easy to use and provides a long burn time, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free fire starting experience. What people say. There are many fire steels out there that are quite good. And most can get the job done under most weather conditions. However, the difference between a good fire rod and a great one is the ease in which it starts the fire. The rope design, which acts like a large candle wick, ignites immediately every time, giving you a nice big hot flame to light your bird's nest or even small kindling wood very quickly. This all-in-one kit, featuring a ferro rod, sturdy steel striker, and an innovative 36 waterproof tinder wick rope, is the epitome of convenience and reliability. What stands out is how effortlessly it sparks, making fire starting less of a chore and more of a sure thing, even in damp conditions. The waterproof wick is a genius addition. It catches a flame quickly and sustains it long enough to get your kindling lit. Number 3. aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet, 2-pack. This survival bracelet is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It comes in a pack of 2 and includes essential tools for emergencies. The bracelet features a Flint Steel fire starter. This allows you to create a fire in various conditions. It also includes a whistle and a compass for signaling and navigation. These features can be crucial in survival situations. A mini saw is integrated into the bracelet. This is useful for cutting small branches or other materials. The wristband is adjustable to fit different sizes. It's designed for comfort during camping, bushcraft, or any emergency. This bracelet is a compact emergency kit. It's a great tool to have when you're in the outdoors. What we like. This survival bracelet integrates a fire starter with other survival tools. It's designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to carry. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient survival tool that you can wear on your wrist, this is a great option. It's ideal for hikers, campers, and anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies. What people say. Everything is described. Compass worked well. Material excellent, inclui lo basico para una banda táctica. A good tool to have with multiple uses. Number 2. BCHARYA Ferro Rod Fire Starter Kit. This Ferro rod kit from BCHARYA is designed for reliable fire starting in any condition. It's made of a high-quality ferrocerium and magnesium blend, ensuring it can withstand thousands of strikes. It's perfect for your outdoor adventures. The kit includes 2 ferro rods, each measuring 4 inches long and 3/8 inch in diameter. These rods can generate sparks up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to start a fire quickly. You can rely on it in any weather. It comes with a leather lanyard and a 6-in-1 multi-tool. The multi-tool functions as a striker, tinder scraper, map scale, ruler, hex wrench, and bottle opener. It's a versatile tool to have. The kit includes tinder ropes and tabs that are easy to ignite. The wax-infused natural tinder is weather-resistant, ensuring you can start a fire when you need it most. Use the sharp side of the striker to scrape the fire steel. This fire starter kit is lightweight and compact, easily fitting in your pocket or backpack. It's ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, and emergency situations. It's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. BCHARYA provides 24/7 after-sales support to address any concerns. Feel free to contact them with any questions. They are dedicated to your satisfaction. What we like. This fire starter includes a multi-tool striker and tinder rope for added convenience. The ferro rod is made of high-quality materials, ensuring reliable performance. If you need a fire starter that comes with everything you need, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a complete and easy-to-use fire starting kit. What people say. The rods are very easy to hold and to create sparks to light cotton balls. Plenty of sparks per strike. Works quite well. Number 1. VVAAGG Flint and Steel Fire Starter Kit. This is the VVAAGG Fire Starter Kit. It includes a ferro rod and a striker. This kit is designed to help you start a fire quickly and easily. The kit features a 3/8 thick ferro rod. It's easy to use and generates a large number of sparks. This makes it efficient, even in wet conditions. The ferro rod is simple to operate. You can start a fire with minimal effort. It's a reliable tool for any outdoor situation. The kit is compact and easy to carry. It fits perfectly in any backpack or survival kit. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures. This fire starter is perfect for hikers, campers, and hunters. It provides an extra layer of safety. You can rely on it in emergencies. What we like. This fire starter features a thick ferro rod for easy and quick fire starting. It's designed to be compact and portable, fitting easily in any survival kit. If you're looking for a simple and effective fire starter, this is a great choice. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable and easy-to-use tool. What people say. The ferro rod is thick and throws a lot of sparks. The striker is well made and works great. The handle is comfortable and provides a good grip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.